If you're a creator, freelancer, influencer, or a small business owner, chances are you've heard the term link in bio more times than you can count. But in 2025 and 2026, a link in bio is no longer just a list of links. It's your mini website, a storefront, email collector, and brand hub. In this video, I will show you how to use Beacons AI to build a professional, high-converting link in bio page from scratch. We'll walk through the real interface, how each section works, and how to customize it properly and avoid the common beginner's mistake. First off, you'll need to open a browser, go to the search bar, and type in Beacons AI. Then, click on Beacons AI link. It will take you to this page where you'll have to simply click on Start for free. Now, simply type in the username that you want and click Next. Now, choose whether you want to sign up using Google, Facebook, Apple, or email address. I will choose Sign up with Google. After you sign up, simply click Next, choose the platform that you're going to use, and enter the username for that platform. You can also enter the username for different platforms from just right here and click Next. In this video, we are going to explore the options for Instagram. So just enter your social media handle in this field and click Next. Now, choose any profile that matches and click Next. Now, simply choose the links that you want to highlight on your page and click Next. Now, Beacons AI will instantly build you a profile. As you can see, my profile is going to look something like this. Click This is me. Now you can see Beacons AI has generated a prompt below based on my profile. You can simply click Next and this will instantly build my page. Now, it will show up some options that you can choose from. So, Beacons AI has built me these pages. I can choose any page that I want. For example, I will choose this one. Now, I'll click Use this design. After selecting the page that I want, I will click Next. Now, currently, Beacons AI will be free, but you'll have to upgrade to Creator Plus later. Now, you can own your link in bio with a custom domain. If you want, just click Upgrade. If you don't want it, just click Escape for now. Now, before adding anything, let's understand the layout. So, Beacons Editor is section based. That means your page is built by stacking blocks vertically. Each block serves a specific purpose like profile info, links, text, embeds, email signups, products card, and much more. So this block-based system is what keeps Beacon beginner friendly. You're not designing a website, you're just arranging content logically for mobile users. Remember, 90% of people will view your Beacons page on a phone, so simplicity matters more than creativity. As you can see, this is Beacon's dashboard. Here, you have the home button through which you'll be able to see the analytics of your Beacons AI page. You can discover trends, you can see your contents, and much more. You'll see the total earnings you will have, the total followers if you click it, and total views your page will get. Now, click link in bio and website. It will open up this page, that is your Beacons AI profile. As you can see, my page will look something like this. If I would want to edit it, I'll just click on that specific thing and the settings for that will appear at the left. So I'll click link in bio. Now, the first thing that you should customize is your profile section because this is the first thing visitors see. Simply add your profile photo or logo. So click this, that is this one. Now, click edit profile and click edit profile photo. Here, click on this camera icon, then simply select the picture for your profile photo and it will instantly appear on your page. Now, after adding a profile photo or logo, your display name should be just right here. So, in order to edit your display name, just click Edit Profile, click Edit Header Text, and you'll be able to edit the name or the logo. So, if I choose name, I'll be easily able to change the display name from here. For example, I will add my name. Now, you can add a short bio or tagline. For example, I will enter get in touch for more gaming tips. You can also click the AI icon and AI will generate a very good bio for you. So for example, I will paste my prompt here and click generate and AI will give you a very good bio. As you can see, it generated this. I'll click insert text. Now, I can click on logo and simply upload an image. I can click upload image or just choose AI image generation. So I will add this picture for example purposes. So after adding an image, you can resize the image pretty easily. Just crop the image however you want, click accept and your logo will be instantly changed. Now, as you can see, I just added a profile image and a logo. Make sure you keep the bio short, specific. Instead of saying content creator, say what you actually do, like helping creators grow on Instagram or daily AI tools and tutorials. This clarity increases trust immediately. Let's add links, the core of any link in bio page. Click add block option. That will be just right here. So click link in bio and click add block. Here, choose links. Now, you can choose how you want the links to be: a classic, carousel, image grid, or card. For each link, give it a clear label, avoid vague text, and prioritize important links at the top. For example, you can choose any one of these like classic. It will add it on your page. Click add link, copy your video's link, paste it here, then click add. You can add any kind of link you want. Click add block that is suggested. Click the edit that block. Now you can add a title. So for example, you can give each link a clear label or title like watch my latest video, and also a subtitle. You can choose generate with AI and click generate, click insert, click save. After you do this, that specific link will be added on your page. As you can see, this was my page, and if someone scrolls down, they'll be able to see this video. Now, one beginner mistake is adding too many links. More links don't mean more clicks. They usually mean fewer. Aim to 5 to 7 strong links, not 20 weak ones. Now, coming down to using content blocks like video embeds and text. So, you can use content blocks like video embeds, text. Beacons really shines when you go beyond simple links and add YouTube video embeds, TikTok or Instagram embeds, text sections or announcements, dividers for visual structure. So for example, click link in bio again and you can rearrange these links. If I want to bring the YouTube video at the top, I will bring it here and now the video will appear here. Now, if I want to delete any link, for example, the digital product link, I will select it and click delete block, click delete again. Make sure you don't have a lot of links. Simply select any block that you want to delete and click delete. That will help people navigate your page. Now, one of the most powerful features in beacons is email capture. Add an email sign up block. Click add block and choose email form. Choose email collection and this will add this block where people can sign up with an email. So you can customize the text, connect to beacons built-in email tools or external service. This turns your link in bio form, a traffic page, into a long-term asset. Instead of relying only on social media platform, you're now building an audience you actually own. Pro tip, offer something small like a free guide or checklist instead of generic join my newsletter. You can edit this by selecting that specific block, clicking on title, entering something else in the description. Just click this and generate. You can edit the fields also, like click the name icon and choose whether you want full name, first name or first and last name. Then choose email field and you can also add fields like phone number, location, birthday and custom field. After selecting it, you can choose the design or layout of this, whether you want the compact or the card one, and the submit button, how you want it to be. You can use another text for submit. After you do all these changes, simply click share icon and you can choose to add your link in bio. So here you'll have to click on add your link in bio and choose the social media where you want to add this link. We'll choose Instagram and click on go to Instagram. If you'll be already logged in, you'll be taken to your Instagram. If you're not, just click on copy this link, then navigate to Instagram, click profile icon, click edit profile and simply in the bio add this Beacons AI link that we just copied. Now, after you do this, click submit and your Instagram bio will be instantly changed. What you can also do is click edit profile and add the link in the website section. As you can see, this is how my page looks like. You can edit the page anyhow you want, like the background, the animations and much more. Now, if you navigate back here, we have the option link in bio design. You can choose custom made themes for your want. Just click apply after any theme and your theme will be applied to your page. It's pretty simple. Just select it and your page will have that specific theme. So themes are pretty good way to make your page more attractive. After doing this, you can click brand deals and see all the brands you would have dealt with, the tools through which you can calculate price, socials, brand deals, invoicing and much more. You also get the affiliate product section where you can turn your favorite brands into earnings. Just click apply and have the affiliate earnings with you. You can have collections, browse brands and click digital products and you'll be able to make products that you can sell online and generate more revenue. You can click reviews and inquiries and if anyone would have reviewed or have inquired about your profile, it will appear just right here. Click on marketing and you'll be able to overview the marketing for email like email broadcast, email automation, smart reply and much more. So marketing is also free. Now you can click settings and you have all these settings for your Beacons AI. And if you navigate back to home, you have all these options where you can see total views, followers, and earnings. Now, click connect social account and you'll be able to connect a social platform. Click next, choose next, click link page, and you'll be able to link your social media to your Beacon's AI. So, after you finish out editing and everything looks good, click the share icon and you can also share it with followers, QR codes, and Apple Wallet Pass. Now let's be real about Beacon's AI. So the biggest advantage is simplicity with power. You can build a professional link in bio page in minutes without design skills or technical knowledge. Beacons is also creator first. Everything from layouts to monetization is built around how creators actually work, not businesses or developers. Disadvantages include it's not a full website builder. If you need complex pages, blocks, or heavy customization, this isn't the right tool. Some advanced features are locked behind paid plans, and customization has limits compared to building your own site. Also, while the AI helps, it doesn't replace creative thinking. So who should use Beacons AI? Beacons is perfect for content creators, influencers, YouTubers, coaches, freelancers, and solopreneurs. If your main goal is to centralize traffic, grow your audience, and monetize attention, Beacons is one of the best tools available in 2025 and 2026. But if you're building a full business website, portfolio, or SaaS product, Beacon should complement your site, not replace it. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.